Hi and welcome back to PixelPia Creative AI. I have always liked creative projects that sits somewhere between mediums, part visual, part words, and part emotions. Visual notes is my latest idea and my attempt to bring those elements together in one project. It's not a photo series, it's not a blog, and it's not a journal. It's something in between. A monthly collection of AI created images paired with reflective writing, built around a theme or a feeling. This project started, like many of mine, with pure curiosity. What would happen if I tried to capture a feeling, not just in words, not just in a picture, but in both? And after a conversation in ChatGPT, that's how the project Visual Notes began. It's a blend of imagery and reflection. In this video series, I will take you with me during this project to see what we can create. And today is just the introduction. I have always been a documenter. As a teacher, a writer, and creator, I like to collect fragments of ideas, a phrase, a visual, a half thought that doesn't yet know what it might become. Visual notes is my new home for those fragments. And as the project evolves, I'll be documenting the process through this video series with the hope that it sparks something in you too. Each month, I will create an issue of this visual notes as a combination of generated visuals like these, and short written reflections. Not essays, not tutorials, just little windows into my thinking. To create these, I use a few tools. I will work with ChatGPT to help come up with themes and refine writing prompts. I will work in MidJourney, and a lot of the work there will be in the new draft mode initially to create these visuals. And finally, I will work with Affinity Designer, which is not an AI tool, but a tool to bring all this together in a cohesive layout. The first two are AI tools. But even though I will use AI, the creative choices and the curiosity that drives them are all mine. This monthly creation of visual notes is not meant to be perfect or finished or even useful in a traditional sense. That's what makes it different from a blog or a tutorial. It's more like a creative journal, less how to and more what if. This month's theme, which you saw a few images from, and I will show some more as I explain it. The theme is Curious Twilight Garden, a phrase that showed up during these conversations with ChatGPT on how I can create a project like this. It was one of the themes ChatGPT suggested, and it stood out to me immediately. Like a scene from a dream I hadn't had yet. I let the phrase or the theme guide the visuals, the mood, and the writing. I always start with the visuals. What kind of place is a Twilight Garden? What emotions live here? Who might pass through? And what might they leave behind? These are questions that shaped what I tried to create. My next exploration might be cinematic noir, another of the themes suggested by ChatGPT. In my next episode, I will show you how I create the images in MidJourney. What worked, what didn't work, and how I used curiosity more than technical skill to guide the process. I also show you how I worked alongside ChatGPT throughout this phase, refining prompt ideas, exploring language and themes, and using both tools in tandem to shape the visual story. I hope you will follow along as this project unfolds. If you are the kind of person who collects ideas in a notebook, some you never finish, you're in the right place. Some of these visuals and reflectives might eventually find a home on my blog, PixelPia's Perspective, where I also share free creative resources every month. And who knows, this could be part of a downloadable series of Spark for future projects. I hope to see you back here in my next video. And as always, stay curious. Bye!